Hi everyone, I'm Rick from Railgun, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Infusionsoft landing page plugin for WordPress and how to set it up so you can see my screen. So the first thing you need to do is you need to install the plugin, and that would mean coming here to add new. If you don't have this already, you're going to type Infusionsoft, just put landing, that should do it. It'll come up with this, Infusionsoft landing pages. You're going to want to just click the install now, take care of that. This one right here, Infusionsoft landing pages for WordPress. You're going to want to click settings. You want to go down to the bottom, so active yes, embed yes, slug. This is the what is going to come after the slash after your URL. So in my case, I'm going to put demo for this one. And here's where it says paste your landing page URL. So what you'll need to do is come to into your Infusionsoft app. You're going to want to go to a landing page, and then this is your URL right here. You're just going to want to hit the copy to clipboard, come back to WordPress, paste it in, hit add landing page, and put demo. It is case sensitive, so you'd probably want to enter it 3 times, one with a capital D, then lowercase, and one in all lowercase. And there is your landing page. And it now has, it's with your URL instead of being, you can also do the same page by going this way. But of course now when your client comes here, they're not seeing your URL, they're seeing Infusionsoft's, and again, no favicon. I would much prefer them to see our stuff. So same page, just it allows you to customize it to your URL. So that's it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can reach me at richard@railgunmarketing.com. Thanks very much. Hope you have a fabulous day.